One of the most surprising shifts that I've had in a long time, we go downtown. Welcome to the channel. My name is Matt. I'm a part of the Your Driver Mike team, and I am Mike's twin brother. We're gonna take you alongside as I drive this food delivery shift and I give you tips to help you maximize your time on the road. This was a very surprising shift, guys. I'm actually in the South Side right now. Check out this first request. I'm in the heart of downtown right now, and I know it's hard to tell. You're gonna see here in a little bit. This is a really surprising order. I don't usually come downtown, but we're gonna go over exactly why. Well guys, this is the first downtown order I've done in a while. You might hear some noise behind me. So parking is always an issue when you're downtown. My best advice is park somewhere, even temporarily. So that's my car right there. Get in, get out, don't block any fire lanes, don't block any bus lanes, but speed is your friend when you're in the city. So make sure to follow the instructions on the order. So check it out. It says walk up to the 5th floor and leave it on the lobby. So looks like I have some stairs to climb. All right guys, so here's exactly why you need to follow this tip. The 5th floor, I had to walk up, well actually I had to take the elevator. That's where the lobby was. So an employee met me and I dropped off the order. So make sure to follow the instructions because it's very likely someone is counting on you to make it to that location. So don't drop it in the lobby, follow the instructions and you'll be okay. Okay, now that my legs are warmed up, our next order request, another good one, and it's downtown. A Pittsburgh staple, Permane, is right behind me. DoorDash, I'm downtown again in Market Square. One of the coolest areas of Pittsburgh. Let's go and drop off this order. So we're gonna go over all the earnings and how much I made, probably the highest dollar per hour I've ever made. So stick around at the end of the video. We're gonna break down all of the numbers. Multi-apping with as many apps and platforms as you possibly can will give you the most amount of orders. So on this day, I was multi-apping with DoorDash and Grubhub, and surprisingly, I got a really good Grubhub order. A really surprising order on Grubhub and a stacked order. We're gonna walk through that process. Awesome shift. Let's see how well I did and head back home and break down the numbers. So another awesome shift and a little bit of a new setup. We're moving some things around for a big announcement, so stay tuned to the channel. But let's go over the numbers and see how well did I do, how much money I made, and if these tips really did maximize my time on the road. So during this shift, I was multi-apping with DoorDash and Grubhub. My dash time was from 5:34 p.m. to 7:27 p.m. During that time, I made a total gross revenue of $46.10, and my total revenue on Grubhub was $14.75. My total revenue was $60.85, which comes to a very strong $30.42 per hour. I drove a total of 6 deliveries, and I made a total of $22.10 in tips. That comes to an average of $3.68 per tip. I drove approximately 21 miles, which yields us a fairly strong $2.89 pay per mile. Over those 21 miles, that gives us a tax deduction of $11.76. So it really goes to show that you can maximize your time on the road when being strategic, and especially driving those late dinner rush hours after work. It really doesn't matter how much time you have because $30 an hour is a really strong hourly rate, and those numbers add up quick. So it really depends on the marketplace. I would encourage you to get out there and just start driving, whether it's Uber Eats or DoorDash or Grubhub, because each marketplace is different. So some marketplaces, Uber Eats is really strong, whereas here in Pittsburgh, I've personally seen more requests coming in on DoorDash, and that could mean that more users are using DoorDash to order their food, or there are less drivers. So it really depends on your marketplace, how to maximize your time on the road. You can absolutely make the most money possible by multi-apping and being strategic. So again, this is Matt. I am Mike's twin brother. I am a part of the Your Driver Mike team. If you like this video, make sure to drop a like and consider subscribing to see my future videos that are meant to help you maximize your time on the road. Let me know how your week has been driving. How much money have you made? What are some of the challenges that you've seen? And I'll answer your questions in the comments section below. I really enjoy sharing these videos and the tips and tricks that are meant to help you when you're out on the road, and we'll see you in the next one.